So, hello everyone, welcome to Explore It Anyway. And today we're going to explore the ancient city of Perge, or in English, Perge. Although it is a Greek city, Perge is famous for the ruins from the Roman period, dates back to 1300 BC. This city is more than 4,000 years old, and this city has a rich history of Alexander the Great. Saint Paul also has visited this city more than once. In fact, the 500-kilometer long St. Paul's Trail begins from this ancient city of, and on the screen you can see the beautiful theater of Perge, and you can see the beautiful stadium of Perge. Currently those places are off limit for me because they are currently restoring the buildings. But those buildings are constructed in 2nd century AD and it could hold around 12,000 people. Apart from the historical significance, this place is also very beautiful. This is surrounded by the beautiful trees and greeneries and different kind of plants. I am definitely mesmerized by the color of those plants. As we walk and walk, I started to see the artifacts. As we walked past the garden, we could see the buildings from the past. This site is still being excavated, new things are being discovered every day. And when I say that we saw the artifacts from the past, I'm not talking about one or two buildings. I could see thousands of the bricks and the stones from the past lying on the ground. It just like Lego pieces. The archaeologists are going to put them together and they're going to try to figure out like what kind of building it was. You can say it is the Lego piece for the archaeologists, for the adults. It makes me feel like it is a fun job. So in this part, as far as I can see, it is the stones that have been used 4,000 years ago. These are the ruins from 4,000 years ago. So that is the entrance of this ancient city. Now we are going to get inside the city, the ancient city. So I tried to show you the entrance of this beautiful city because of the beautiful garden. I think the garden is as beautiful as the ancient city. Now that we have seen the beautiful entrance, the garden, I'm going to show you the beautiful gate of this ancient city. This gate is known as the Roman gate. It is built in 4th century. So I had to specifically mention that it's a Roman gate because there is another gate that we're going to see once we enter this gate. And that is Hellenistic gate. And the Hellenistic gate is the most iconic symbol of the city. It consists of two towers with circular bases and it built with hewn stones. So that wall was built in Hellenistic period, like 3rd century BC, and this wall was built in 4 AD. So I could not help but admiring the beautiful designs on the stones. It is truly amazing. And right after entering the city, what do you do next? It is very simple. You go to washroom and get cleaned up. In the meantime, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Like any good Roman, we're going to go to the washroom first. We're going to explore the Roman bathhouse first. So, back in those days, people had to deal with malaria. Roman people thought if they could prevent people from entering the city before taking bath, they would be able to prevent malaria. That was the idea behind putting a bathhouse just beside the gate. I am sure that you want to see inside the bathing complex, and that's where I'm going to take you to the best preserved bathing complex of the town. I have been told that in front of the bathing complex, this area had been used for gymnastic purposes. This area was used for physical exercise, and there was a changing room here as well. And there was also running water supply. Now we are going to enter the massive bathing complex. from the Roman period. Roman bathing complex had like three sections. One of them is warm room, then hot room, then cold room. This one is the cold room, or known as frigidarium. By the size of the bath, I think you already guessed that bathing was a communal thing for Romans. They used to bath together with so many people. Usually Roman bathing complex contained a room where people could store their clothes before entering to the baths, just like lockers in a swimming pool. And this is the warm room, also known as capitarium, and that makes it hot room, the caldarium. Although I showed the cold room first, then warm room, then hot room, but in real life, a Roman would go to warm room first, then he go to hot room, then he go to the cold room. You can see the tunnel below the bathhouse. This tunnel was used for heating the floor. Before leaving the complex, let me show you the beautiful mosaics. Currently, the floor has been covered with rubbles just as a measure of protection. Now that we have visited the washroom, now we are eligible to visit the city. Now we are going toward the agora. So I have been told that if I look carefully, I'll be able to see the deep grooves in the stones because of the constant passing of the carts and chariots. It tells us that how busy this city was during its time. Famous Alexander the Great was welcomed in Perge with his army in 334 before Christ BC. In the 2nd century BC, the city became so prosperous that it started minting its own coin with the image of Artemis and her temple. Perge became renowned for the worship of Artemis, whose temple stood on the hill outside the town. And every year there was a festival and a celebration went on in the name of Artemis. Still today, the archaeologists are trying to find the temple of Artemis, but they could not find it yet. On the eastern side of the Hellenistic Gate, the Agora of Perge is located. The Agora was the central market square of the city and was surrounded by shops and administrative buildings. And those pillars represents one shop. I tried to count few of the columns. I was thinking that I would be able to count them all, but I failed. Can you believe how huge this city was, that it requires so many rooms and shopping places? So I can only guess how huge this shopping complex was. Between 1st and 3rd century AD, the town became a magnificent city with many impressive buildings. It became one of the most beautiful town in Anatolia, competing with Side. In the next video, I'm going to show you the beautiful town of Side. In the center of the column square remains a circular structure that's likely served as a temple and possibly a religious fountain. According to Acts of Apostles, Saint Paul journeyed Perge in 46 AD and he stayed longer on his way back. Most likely it was when the first church in Perge was erected. During the reign of Constantine the Great, Perge became an important center of Christianity. The city kept its status as a Christian center in the 5th and 6th centuries. So, I have been told that there are several Christian shrines in the area of Perge. In the southern part of the city, you can see the remains of the church from the 6th century. And this city was destroyed in 8th century during Arab invasion. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.